This video, I'd like to write our own sniffer by Python. Great people have already done wonderful things, so we do not need to start from scratch. And the major modules I'd like to use for this two or our code is the first one is socket, and the second one, we need to use the Scapy. Scapy module is so great, so we can import scrape or import all module, and also we can import sys module to capture arguments specified by the user. All right, first we can check whether the user has already specified the interface to sleeve. If the length is less than 2, and then we can print error message. Please specify interface to sniff, and we can exit the program. Otherwise, we can capture the interface specified by the user. The second element, index number, is 1. Next, we need to create the socket object or instance, and we can name this object like Sniffer socket, and we can use socket module, and we can initialize this object. Of course, we need to pass some parameters. The first one is address family. This will not, the same as other programs. Normally, we will use the IP4 as address family. However, for this one, we didn't use the AF packet, which means we need to capture data from the data link layer. And the second parameter is the raw. It means that we not only want to capture TCP data, but also we want to capture all data, for example, like ICMP data. The last one we need to specify is this one. This one can help us to convert. You can highlight the method. Convert this integer from network to host byte order, which is a bit complicated topic. We will not go into that here. Okay. Next, we can, as we create the TCP socket, TCP server socket, we can bind our IP address or interface to the port number. Sniff socket bind, and we need to pass a tuple. The first one should be interface or IP address, and the 0, we do not need to care about the port number. We need to capture all of them. And next, we can use try, and we can just put a pass at this moment, and accept keyboard. It means that the user want to exit the program, and then we can print exit the program now, and we can close down this socket. And if there is any other errors, we can print out the error message. There's something is wrong, and we can print out the error message for debugging the error, and then we can exit from the program. Exit. Now we can come to the major part of this code. We can put while loop, while true, and we can capture, we can return the data and also the address from the sniffer receive from, and we can put the buffer size like this one, and next we can convert this log data to the more readable format, and we can use the class of this module. And so how to do, we can packet data answer, and it's all right, although it's highlighted. It seems this is error, but it's not. And we can put the raw data here, and then we can print this data or summary of this data. All right, I think I have already completed this program, and let's try it now. We can Python my Sniffer. If you do not provide the interface, it will present us the error. Please specify interface to sniff. All right, and we can use the first interface to sniff traffic over the network. Let's press enter, and we can trigger some packets or data. As you can see, yes, it's so amazing. We have already captured the traffic over the network. For example, like the ARP traffic, TCP traffic, and also the HTTPS. So I think this program is so useful if you do some pen testing for some cases. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the